How to test Shopify checkout quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to test a Shopify checkout. So let's get into it. Open up your Shopify admin and then you just have to go to your settings. In your settings, you will go to your payments, and if you have activated your Shopify payments, then make sure to deactivate it first. Now, we have different payment providers and payment methods. In order to create a test method, you can go to manage and you can see automatically capture payment for orders, manually capture payment for orders. So you can just select from here, and I'm going to go with automatic. And then in payment providers, we can just go ahead and search for a test payment method. So here we have for testing bogus gateway. So this is a testing checkout that's available on Shopify. So you'll just select it and you can see there is 0 transaction fee. Perfect. Click on activate and it's activated. So you can see this is going to be a test checkout for me. Now I can create a test order and do a test Shopify checkout with this testing gateway. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.